No, 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 not over there. Ah, that was perfect.
Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and yesterday I put up a video on how to construct the Popcan glider made from a lot of different pop cans. Today I went out to test it and I didn't have very good results, but the following videos are looking down as it was falling from the sky, and I think the last video is the one that it went way out of reach of the camera. So the first one, I didn't go up very high because I wasn't sure whether it would glide or not. And adjusting the center of gravity makes it, if you move it forward, it goes down. If you pull it back, it glides better. And you'll see where I pulled it back too far. So I think I only got up to about 50 feet or so on this one. And there's the plane hanging on the hanger. And I moved it away from me, and I don't think I'm going to do it that way anymore. I think I'm just going to get out in the middle of the field with it, because you don't get a good video because it's too small. And today it was so cloudy. Now here we go. All right. Now that went pretty good, only it went down more than it flew. But today was so cloudy that I didn't get some really good shots. So this is another flight. I didn't put all of them in because some of them, it was ridiculous. I think this one here, I go up to, over 100 feet. And the problem with going up to over 100 feet is you get such a small image that you really have to zoom in on it. And then it's all fuzzy. But we'll see what this one is. I think this one, I think it flies a little better. We'll see. I can't remember. I did so many. All right. And I zoomed in to follow it down with the digital. There we go. Okay, so it worked better. And it circled around as it went down. But I edited this, zoomed in a lot with the video editor. So here I'm taking off, already looking down. And then my neighbor, who's a flight instructor, knows a lot about airplanes, and he was just walking up to watch when he saw this one. This is the one where if you put if you put the heavy people in the back seat of a Cessna, you'll get these kind of results. I think this is the one. It's called a flat spin. And that's because I moved the center of gravity too far backwards. And there he goes. Yeah, flat spin. And that's what happens if you load the heavy people in the back of your Cessna 170. And I think this next one, I think it's a better one. In fact, it might even be the one that we saw at the very beginning. One of these days I'm going to go out and do it perfect and get it so it's enjoyable to watch. That was my neighbor standing there. Alright, now I'm going to look down. There's a little plane, big plane, and I let him go. And he sails out of view of the camera because he sailed so far, I thought he was going to go over into the wash at the park. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching, and we'll be back with more of these videos one of these days when I get it figured out right. So thanks for watching, and God bless.